If you're wondering whether you're eligible for compensation after a SIRVA injury, here's a few things that I look for in cases when I'm reviewing a potential client or even after we've signed up the case. So first, we need to see some evidence that you had pain within 48 hours of the vaccination. That's going to be, one of the biggest things that we look for. We establish that with the medical records. So that's why it's really important that when you see your doctor, you're telling him or her when and how your symptoms started. We also want to see that you didn't have any shoulder pain or injuries prior to the vaccine. But this isn't a hard and fast rule. If you had some prior shoulder injury years before the vaccination that completely healed or resolved, there's still a way to bring a claim in that case. We want to see evidence that you have, some sort of reduced range of motion. And we want to see that there's no other condition or abnormality that could explain your shoulder symptoms. So no other injury to your neck or to your arm that, might explain the symptoms that you're experiencing. A couple other eligibility requirements include the fact that your symptoms have to persist for 6 months. We call this the severity requirement. Again, we establish that through medical records. You have to have received your vaccine in the United States, and there's a few rare exceptions to that. And then finally, if we do take you on as a client and we want to file a petition for you, we can only do so if we can file your petition within 3 years of the date of your injury. That is the statute of limitations.